We're working on our fabulous fall painted pumpkins again today, and this is the one that we're doing. This is a basic orange plastic pumpkin like this, and we do not have to put a coat of paint on it first. We can go straight over it with General Finishes Pearl Effects Tawny Pearl. And I put a little bit out of the can into a container so that I can add some of their extender. The extender helps you have a little bit more time to work with it. I always use a chip brush as it's a little bit messy and I don't want to ruin my good brushes. And you just brush it straight on. And you can achieve the amount of coverage you want. You can wipe some off and reveal some of the orange underneath, or you can go for complete coverage. And that's what I've done with this. It holds well, it has a sheen to it, and it dries quickly. So that's what I've done with this one. This one is completely dry and it only has one coat of the Pearl Effects on it. Now, to accentuate the lines, the indentions, I'm using another product by General Finishes called Van Dyke Brown Glaze Effects. And again, I have taken it out of that container so that I could add a little bit of extender to it and get a little bit of extra time. I'm going to use a paper towel or some cloth, and you just basically put this on with a small brush, and you don't want to do each one the same. Some I do kind of heavy, some I do more from the bottom. Then you take your cloth and wipe it off as much or as little as you want. Sometimes I start off wiping a little too much and have to go back, but that's okay. You can do that. It's not going to dry that quickly. I like to put some in here with the stem and let it come out, kind of radiate from the stem and go into these crevices. So leave on as much or as little as you like. If it kind of cakes in certain areas, that's okay. You can work it around a little bit, or you can leave it that way. Pumpkins are never perfect, so a few imperfections is not going to hurt. In fact, I think it gives some added charm. Here is an example of one that is complete, and it only has these two products on it, the Tawny Glaze and the Van Dyke Brown in the crevices. And then you can accent by putting something metallic on the stem or adding some fall leaves.